Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. An amazing day it was, isn't it? In fact, yesterday, if you remember the title that we had given on our podcast, it was nothing but a big move ahead. And in fact, in yesterday's podcast, we did speak that there is a higher chance of having a bigger breakout on the higher side, and that's exactly what happened. By end of the day, we could see a beautiful powerful candle there start taking off the market, and that helped the market, actually Indian stock market, close above 18,800 again. So now it's a very important situation, because now it is very close to its all-time high. Now, will that all-time high be taken today? There are high chances, but then it's sustaining is slightly difficult, being the monthly expiry today. But however, like I always say, we can never predict the market, but just anticipate. So I anticipate the market probably it can go close or slightly take off the all-time high and then come back, or probably even go higher. But then markets are kind of looking bullish, but then the monthly expiry is going to give some bearishness to the market. So there will be volatility, of course, no doubt about it. But that volatility, will the volatility end into positive at the end of the day, is the big thing to be watching. Note, tomorrow is a holiday and Friday is the only trading day for this week, and today is the monthly expiry. So all these things put together, a lot of commotion expected today. So if you're a seasoned trader, it's fine to stay in the market, but otherwise I would suggest not to stay in the market today. Things can go really difficult. So what pushed the markets high yesterday? It was basically the major power that came in from HDFC, HDFC Bank, and HDFC Life. There was a huge movement there. Even SBI and ICICI joined the rally, and overall it was majorly the banking sector which led the rally yesterday, I would say. In fact, it was a total surprise that even the markets, which were supposed to be a holiday today, and which was supposed to be working tomorrow, and expiry was tomorrow, was changed. And that's something which I say I'm really happy about, because tomorrow I'm traveling to Dubai, and I would have missed the expiry, but today I am here to face the expiry. So that's an exciting thing. So what pushed the markets higher? It's simple that there were reports that stated that the Indian banks have started seeing a lot of positivity, majorly because their weak loans have reduced by almost very close to, they're just about 5%, which is like amazing. So I've been telling this multiple times, if you remember in previous podcasts, that Indian banks are structurally very stronger, and we really don't have to worry like the US banks. In fact, the way things are going in US, there are chances that banks in US can still fail. Again, don't quote me on this, but then Indian banks are super strong there, and that is exactly what saw the bullishness. So yesterday, Bank Nifty was also like, if you remember, I just spoke also in one of these weeks podcast that Bank Nifty has been underperforming, and we are expecting a big rally there, and that also came in yesterday. So things are going amazingly well right now. And if you have actually followed what we've discussed here last week, that is when each fall came, and when market was at 18,500, we had discussed that that was a good opportunity for members who have not entered to enter, and those who have entered are sure to be sitting with some great profits right now. So these are things that's taking over the market right now. So yesterday US markets also closed in the green. Naturally, the markets are expected to open with the gap up today. So we can see an expected gap up close to 18,850, which is very close to its all-time high Nifty. So do watch closely what is going to happen after that. Of course, I'm expecting some sell-off in between, but what is important that I will be looking forward to is what is going to happen at the end of the day, and how is the market closing, because that is going to give direction to the next few weeks. So that is very important as of now. So sensibly, what we had done is that we had actually taken some positions for next week already yesterday, and we are just holding a small positions for today's expiry. So whatever happens, I'm sure we should come up net profitable for this week. So that's something that I'm expecting as of now. However, depending on market, how it is going to behave in the first half an hour would make a difference on the day. So that is something that I'm expecting for today. So of course, another point, if you remember day for yesterday, we had discussed about HDFC Life. That also has been super bullish. In fact, we had discussed that if there is any opportunity, we would only add more HDFC Life. And yesterday, HDFC Life was up by almost 5%. Amazing, isn't it? So of course, sitting with amazing profit there. I'm sure all our MPA members are also doing that. So let us discuss more about the market. Probably on Friday, I'm not sure, because tomorrow I'm traveling to Dubai. So it will take for some time probably for me to settle down. If everything goes well, then we should be back on Friday. But if things don't go well, apologies in advance. Then we would be catching up hopefully by Sunday. Okay, for the market pulse video. So that's it for now. Wishing you all a great day for expiry, and wishing you all a hot, happy Bakrid in advance for tomorrow. Goodbye. Have a great day. But before we leave, of course, do press the like button. That's important. Okay, see you. Bye.